Hey family, hey family. I guess it's a storm finna get ready to brew in, y'all. So since it's cool outside, it got to be every bit of 70 degrees outside after it was just 100 degrees. So I know it's finna get ready to storm. Can y'all see the rainbow behind me? I'm going to show you. Oh, you can see it a little bit. Um, I hope everyone is having a great evening. It's about 6 o'clock, I guess. And since it feels so good outside, y'all, we have decided to go ahead and pull the potatoes. So this video is gonna be us harvesting. Y'all see the wind blowing, it feels so good out here, literally. Um, this video is gonna be about us harvesting the potatoes. The potatoes have been dying back tremendously, and we hate the way it look. Y'all see the rainbow? Can y'all see it now? Y'all see the rainbow? It's beautiful. It was raining earlier today, but it was still hot and the sun was out. Somebody get your car. Okay. So, so the potatoes have been dying back for quite some time, and we've been super duper anxious to pull them. I guess today would be a good time since it feels so good outside. So let's jump right on into the video, guys. Okay, so this is what the potatoes are looking like. Slowly dying back plus the sun. And I got a few little potato seeds. Potato pods or whatever you want to call them. Okay, and here are the bags of potatoes. And some of them are already sprouting out again. So yeah, it's time to get these bad boys on out. Even the flower parts are starting again with green, healthy growth. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the big tote over there. So, and then you can tell it was a hot day because look at the peppers. They just now on their way to bounce back. That's how hot it was today. Come here, boy. So I guess we're gonna jump right on into this video, guys. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. And
I'm back. What's up, y'all? Finna get these potatoes up out this joint. Snip, snip. Finna get my hands a little dirty. Gotta take that bling out. Look. Here. We're gonna get into this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you think about me digging up these potatoes. We finna get to it right now.
okay, guys, we not gonna cut them. I would cut them, but
I'ma cut them.
baby wants to go ahead and pull them out. So yes, you can pull them out. Dump the whole bag and just shake your little potatoes off.
Taters.
See, I would have cut the plant because I would have left the potatoes in the dirt for about another week.
Them taters. I'm gonna do it like what she said, but I want to just see some of the taters that we got.
He got something in his mouth.
Who goes?
Look! Ew.
Look at our little potatoes, y'all.
Let's see.
Daddy,
We got a lot of dirt.
Daddy, look what you did to potatoes.
Just throw them over here to the side. Because, I mean, they don't have to be no big old potatoes. Shoot, by the time you get through mashing and cutting them up, it ain't going to make a bit of difference anyway.
I see some more.
This is gonna be a judgment call, y'all. Cause I think the sun just making them like that. They looking like they ready.
A buck.
They still had some time to go.
Daddy, look. You dropped one over there. Ew, stop it, Ghost. You're eating them up.
Stop, boy.
He's going out a little bit
y'all.
too.
It's time growing new shoots.
Ow! You bitch.
That's it.
Hey, like,
So of course there's gonna be a seed potato for us. Stop, Ghost.
Stop, boy.
You stop it.
Stop.
Mariana, go get Ghost leash.
Stop.
Ow, fix it.
Stop. Stop.
I mean, it's some nice. I see a couple of nice size ones. I can't wait to see what that tote look like. They was dying back, baby. That wasn't the sun. If anything, this sun got some made some new shoots come out, some new growth. It's like the potato was finna take off again and send more tubers, grow more tubers.
Stop, boy.
Look at him. Look at him.
I know it's good.
Look at him running off with the potato. This is going in the compost because the potato plants were very, very healthy. Y'all go back and look at the garden tours. You will see how healthy those potato plants were.
Gotcha.
Mariana, bring that crate so I can start putting those in the crate so I can dump them.
If we keep going like this, we'll have a lot of them.
Yeah.
They small, but they
Bring it here, Chris. Let me see what it's looking like.
They still potatoes. See, we had 2 of them, y'all. They finna grow new shoots. Look.
Look at this one, y'all. What is that? That baby had a titty. I mean a nipple. So that's, I mean, that's good for our first time. I feel some sprinkles.
Look.
Okay, guys, I had to do a little pause. But we're trying to go ahead and dump them out because it looks like it's about to start raining. Ooh, it's a spider.
Hey, Daddy, there's a spider in.
Ooh, he ran away. He jumping. Well, he full of dirt now. Peaches, put your feet back in them flip-flops.
Okay.
Well, y'all, they good enough size potatoes for us.
Oh, no.
What?
Trying to run around me.
Get him out the dirt. Because he want to play in the dirt. And he just had a bath this morning.
Ew, he's dirty. Bad boy, bad boy. Why, Mommy?
Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up our potatoes. Halfway through. All right, y'all. We'll give us a couple of ticks. We'll be back. Okay, guys, we are finished with the grow bag potatoes, and that's what we have so far. So now we're finna start on the miscellaneous tote and get those potatoes out of there. So it's getting dark outside, y'all. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's getting dark. We got to apply a little pressure. But y'all make sure y'all thumbs up. I can't remember how many potatoes we used, but I'm thinking it was 2 or 3 potatoes cut in half. And look how many potatoes we get. I told baby, I said, we don't need no grocery store. Period. We don't need no grocery store. So y'all just stay tuned. Okay, guys. We started working on the tote. I hope y'all can see. They do look different than the ones from over there, though. They look a little different. They look harder. That's what it look like. We're going to keep them separate because these done hardened off. That's why they look like this. Them right there need to be hardened off. So let me take this one out. That's the difference. The skin on those are still soft. The skin on those are tough. That's the difference. Oh, baby. Jesus Christ. It's getting dark outside, y'all. So that's why the quality has changed. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all look at my true gardener.
Who, me? On the church?
Born the garden. Look at mama's gardener. Oh.
Can I put these in there too?
Get those. Put them right here. Okay, guys. We are finally finished. This is literally, this side is literally what we got out of this bucket. That side over there is what we got out of the 5 grow bags. And this was left. And baby did find an average size one. So we got one average size one out of this tote. And that one right there is the average size one from the grow bags. Everything else is like medium. Well, that's a nice size one that Peaches got.
Ta-da!
It's right here.
Ta-da!
She wants y'all to see. It's getting dark outside, y'all. So we got to try to wrap it on up. And we went on and took the little onions that never got any bigger than anything from the tops that I cut from the onions we were using. Gave us these little 3 bulbs.
Yeah, look.
And it's the other 3 bulbs from one top.
Mommy. Oh man, it's almost bedtime.
So I guess we gonna, yes, it's almost bedtime. I guess we're gonna rinse these off and weigh them to see how much, you know, we got off those few potatoes. So you guys just stay tuned. Okay, gang. I got Chris to rinse them all off, and then I thought about it. I said, I forgot I have to weigh them. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to let them sit out here and dry overnight, and then I'm going to weigh them. That way I get an accurate weighing and not that extra water weight from them being rinsed off. And of course I had to keep my little pods. But yes, gang, these are the potatoes from just those 2 or 3 potatoes. This how much we get. So I really don't care how damn big they are or how damn small they are. From 2, 3 potatoes or even 4 potatoes. And we got all this. I am truly, truly happy and excited about our potato harvest. So in the morning, I will be weighing it for you guys to see how many pounds of potatoes we got from the 2 or 3 potatoes that we planted. So you guys just stay tuned. Okay, family. It is the next morning, and we're going to go ahead on and weigh these babies. And this is from 3 pieces of potato. So I didn't plant whole potatoes. I'm going to link the video of when I planted the potatoes. They weren't whole potatoes. It was just pieces from 3 potatoes. So like when I was cooking and a piece of it was sprouting, I cut the sprouting pieces off and I buried them in the dirt. And this is what we got from the 3 cuttings of a potato. Okay, so let's jump right on in it. I got my bucket and I got my scale. Let's turn it on. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up our potato harvest video. So let's weigh our basket. 3.25 for the basket. Now 3.0. We ain't finna get a basket, no credit, y'all. No credit for the basket. Okay, so I'm finna fill up the basket up, so give me a couple of ticks. Okay, guys, we got the first one loaded. And we are at 6 pounds, 14 ounces. So, let's get that on there here. 6 pounds, 14 ounces. Okay, so I'm going to put this to the side and I'm going to fill it up again. Okay, guys, I got it filled up. I had to run and get something to put those in, so I'm not cheating. Those are there. We just did those. And we're going to add the next one. Okay, so we at 5 pounds, 13 ounces. Now let's see. See, it was 2 big ones. Well, nice size ones. 7 ounces for one of the nice size. They both about 7 ounces. Yeah, they're identical. Yep. So that's going to be the end of the... Well, I forgot one, y'all. Let's add it up. So we got 11 pounds, 11.27. So this 11 pounds, 27 ounces of doggone potatoes. So we're going to round it up to 12 pounds of potatoes off 3 little cuttings of potatoes. So I would have to say that is a win, guys. That is a super duper win. Super duper excited. If you guys are happy for the potato harvest, please thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir. And it was easy. It was easy. It didn't require much. Now, I know next time I do it, I'm going to feed them a little bit more. So, I think that's the only thing I'm going to change. But I'm going to leave a couple of these bad boys out and let them sprout and start this thing all over again. So I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and peace. Okay, guys. Okay, just a little bonus clip of what I'm doing with some of the potatoes that we harvested. So this is not all. I took all the bigger ones out and I'm chopping them up to make French fries. And the smaller ones, I will be doing like mashed potatoes or something with them. Like we like fries around here, so I just want to give a little bonus clip and let you guys see what I'm doing with them. Hold it right there. Right there. And I said they're the perfect size, so I don't even care. Like I said earlier in the video, I don't even care how big they are. perfect size for fries. Look at that. Perfect size for fries. And the kids love fries. So, it's a win-win. No more grocery store for potatoes. Now, when I started the harvest, guys, remember the potatoes that I cut and grew were potatoes from the grocery store. So, I'm going to save a few to put back in the ground and start it over. But look at those. And no, I do not peel my potatoes. Even before I started growing them, I do not peel potatoes for fries. I used to do that. I don't do that. Skin on. Nothing going to waste. Okay, guys. That's the end of the bonus clip. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace. Okay, guys. So I wanted you to see how many fries we got from those potatoes. We literally got a lot of fries, y'all. A lot of fries. So let's see how many gallon bags I can get. Okay, family. So with half of the harvest, I did, me and Mariana did fries. We cut up fries. And we got 2 very full gallon bags of French fries, guys, with half of it. And then the other half, we're going to do some mashed potatoes. So look at that, guys. A little hard work. And look what you get. Food that you made, you grow yourself. Look at that. Just a blessing. Little hard work ain't never killed nobody. Peace.